auto-send files to any smart TV. Before sending files, make sure your smart TV supports file sharing or screen mirroring. Check your TV settings or user manual to ensure it has features like USB support, Wi-Fi direct, or screen mirroring. Then connect your device to the same Wi-Fi network and use a USB drive if supported. If your smart TV has a USB port and supports external storage, insert a USB drive into your computer or phone. Transfer the files you want to send onto the USB drive. Plug the USB drive into your smart TV's USB port. Then use your TV's file manager or media player to access the files on the USB drive. If your smart TV supports DLNA or Wi-Fi direct, you can use your phone or computer to send media files. So on your phone, go to your file manager or media app. Choose the media file you want to send, select cast or share to device, then choose your smart TV from the available devices. The file will automatically start playing from your smart TV. After following the appropriate steps, test the file transfer by accessing the file on your smart TV. Make sure the file is visible and opens correctly. If this helped you, subscribe.